What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
I was playing Rainbow Six Siege on my PS5, and it like shuts off completely when I play like 2 hours of it. And then 2 ports on the back are broken, so I called Sony, but they don't want to fix it.
Don't worry, I got you. Look at that dust. Wow.
Here you go, man.
How many screws are here? Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at the hairs. Look at that. Unbelievable. And look at all this dust.
Seems like everything works.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks
No
good.
problems. Yeah. Seems like it's perfect.
Your PlayStation is ready, sir. It's clean and waiting for you to play.
All right. Thanks. Hopefully I'm going to come back. Thank you so much, bro.